How to get access to Leonardo AI. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to have your own access with creating AI images here at Leonardo AI. So here are some of the examples on what you can create using the software. You can just go to Leonardo AI for you to start creating your own designs. For us to begin, what you just need to do is you go to your browser and go to leonardo.ai, and this is the page that you will be routed to. What you need to do here is that you can whitelist your email address so that you will have an early access with this software. So you can type in your email address and then just click on count me in, and then it will route you to join Discord. You just need to click on it and you need to log in into your Discord account. You need to accept the invite as well and wait for it to load until your Discord account will be fully loaded. And here you will be routed to a page where they will ask you on what language you speak and what is the purpose of using Leonardo AI. So you can just click on finish, and then here you just need to acknowledge these informations here by checking these boxes, and then here you are routed to the Discord for Leonardo AI. So there are examples or instructions on how you will be using this platform for you to create your own designs. And once you have created your Discord account for Leonardo AI, you can go back into the website, and then you can just click on Launch App. Then just click on Yes, I'm whitelisted. Once you click on it, you will be routed to a page where you will be able to start creating your own AI model designs. Just wait for it to load up and sign in with your account. You can use your email address or your Google account, like what I'm doing here. And once done, you just need to put your username and then also indicate what your interests are. Once completed, you can just click on I agree or toggle that on, and then you can start creating your own design models here. And that's how you do it. That's how you will be able to get access with Leonardo AI. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.